Napakam.
Wow, good job.
Ang galing.
Last one. Ready and go.
Oy, lupit. OMG, ang daming tao. Napakadaming tao kumpara sa zoo kahapon. So kahapon weekday kasi kami nagpunta ng zoo. Ngayon holiday. Kahapon kasi ewan ko pero napakakonti ng bata kahapon sa zoo. Puro adult lang talaga dahil may pasok pa nga siguro. Pero ngayon parang kalahati ng audience bata. Napakadami talagang tao. Yan, lumipat-lipat tayo ng pwesto maganda. Medyo malapit to. Delayed ang show dahil sa ambon.
Speaking of the friend, I'm pretty sure all of you saw one chicken running across stage earlier on, right? So that was a bantam hen. In a very short while, we'll be having a bantam rooster that will be walking behind me. Okay, he should be appearing in a very short while. Okay, so let's just give him some time. Okay, so hens are known for females and roosters are for males. And bantam chickens, they are smaller species in the chicken family.
Bantam, mahal din yan, alam ko.
Yes, some of you pointing out, so I'm pretty sure. You've got a bantam rooster behind, so that is Charlie. Oh,
Yes, Charlie.
So hi, Charlie. Okay, take your time and walk back home, okay?
Yan, si Charlie daw.
Okay, so his routine is to just appear on stage and disappear to that cake right over there. Let's just give him some time because, in fact, we've got his brother, Chucky, waiting very patiently to join us on stage. So Charlie has to disappear first. Thank you very much, Charlie. Alright, so if you are ready, keep your eyes right up there. Let's welcome Chucky, another bantam rooster. Hi, Chucky. Okay, you know what to do, right? Come on. And touchdown. Let's give Chucky a big hand, ladies and gentlemen.
Ayos nung galing.
Good turn. Now, many of us might think that chickens cannot fly, but Chucky here has proven us otherwise. These birds, they are not chickens, okay? They're just here to steal Chucky's food. Okay, Chucky, quickly go back home. Bye. Enjoying the attention on stage? That's okay, let him do that. Oh, look at that. Okay, moving on. Right now, we will be highlighting the natural
Sumusunod yung dalawa.
macaws. Now, in the wild, macaws love to congregate on trees to feast on fruits and nuts. Right here on stage, we have a tree and some food attached right up there. Let's welcome our birds. Everyone, keep your eyes right behind you. Here comes Gaya, our hyacinth macaw. Gaya?
Hello.
There you go, this is Gaya. One more friend joining from up there once again, and we have AJ, our scarlet macaw. Now macaws like them can be found in the jungles of South America. Now let's go back to Gaya, our hyacinth macaw. Hyacinth macaws are the largest species in the parrot family. So if you love to see these beautiful and colorful birds, please do head on down to the parrot paradise, okay? So what happens after feasting? These birds often fly over to rocky surfaces just like these to lick up on clay or chalk. And this will help them in the digestion of any unripe palm fruits or nuts that they have eaten. So, AJ is still right over there, but not to worry, this will definitely be his final stop. Nice music. Hello, Sabrina! Hi, Wani! Who's there?
Hello everyone, this is Evie, our scarlet macaw. Now Evie here is Jurong Bird Park Gold Reef for Wildlife Ambassador. Well, if he sees litters lying around, he will pick the litters up and throw it into the right recycling bin.
Wow, a bird can recycle! recycle, I see. Okay, so I've got 3 kinds of recyclable trash right here. A paper carton, a metal can, and also a plastic bottle.
Okay, so to prove that to you, we have 3 recycling bins. Now this is
Alam niya.
for metal and the last one will be for plastic.
Okay, so everyone, let's find out how is EP going to recycle.
Are you ready? Okay, take it away.
Okay, let's see. Oh,
He wants to go for the metal can first.
Ang galing.
Jollibee. Okay. Why not drink carton next?
Aba, inahapakan pa.
Wow, good job.
Ang
Okay, now
galing.
the last one. Very easy.
Rani, hold on. Rani, he's having troubles. Oh, he can't reach the top of the bin.
Oh yes, Sabrina. Guys, why not? You pass this stool for EP. He has a stool.
Ang
Wow,
cute.
that's a cute stool. EP, you know how to use a stool?
Ang galing.
Wow. Look at that, he places it right in front of the bin. Let's pass him back this plastic bottle.
Go, EP, go. Stand on the stool and
Ayun.
recycle. Now done, EP. Everyone, plastics has invaded our waters to the extent it has killed over millions of birds and animals every single year. Now, plastics that can be found in animal habitats, they harm wildlife when we consume them, and they can even get entangled in them. Now, that is the reason why
Pipicture ka ba?
plastics, they are known as the deadliest monsters.
Deadliest monsters indeed. Now, ladies and gentlemen, EP here set a very good example for all of us. Let's do our part. Be in our latest right to save wildlife and fight these deadliest monsters together. With that, thank you very much, Wani and EP. Alright, so just a gentle reminder to all of you once again, please ensure you have your mask on at all times, refrain from eating and drinking, and remain seated throughout the show. Okay, thank you very much. So right here in the bird park, we give our birds fun activities to do, which is very similar to what they do in the wild. And this is called enrichment. So in the wild, birds will forage for seeds and nuts. So if you look right up there, we've got a trainer. She's holding on to an enrichment device, okay? So for this volunteer, we will be needing volunteers, okay? But please remain seated. Just raise your hands if you want to volunteer. If my trainer Durga calls you, then you go towards her, okay? Otherwise, please remain seated. This is not to distract the birds, okay? Alright, now it looks like our volunteer is in position. Everyone keep your eyes right over there. Let's welcome our beautiful
Hindi, oh.
conures. Can you see that? Okay, pretty small, but they are very brightly colored. Okay, we've got one more. Hi. You want to join your friends up there? Look at him. Okay, I'm gonna help him out, okay? By the way, this is called our sun conure. Come on now. Let's assist him. We need all 4 of you to go up there. Okay, Durga, hold up the monkey fist so I can get Thor to fly up. All the way up, come on. Monkey fist is up there. That's okay, let me carry on, okay? So by the way, that is called a monkey fist, which is rope tied into knots. And up there you've got conures. Conures in the world, there are a total of 30 different species of conures, okay? And now these birds, we've got 2 species. This one right over here that has more green feathers, that is called the jangly conure. And the rest of them are called sun conures, okay? Now it's time for them to head back home, okay? So I'm just gonna let them go back home. Let's get out for our conures, ladies and gentlemen.
Saktong-sakto lang sila, no?
Alright, since it's raining, let's have the bird under the shelter. Can the rain stop? Okay, never mind. It's still going on. Okay. Alright, so now what differentiates parrots from other animals is the ability to copy sounds. And they do this in the wild for social communication. Now the hero named Amazon parrot right here is famous for its ability to copy human sounds, okay? So get your video cameras ready. This might be interesting for all of you. Okay, some people at the side can see as well. Okay. So I'm gonna get him to say, let's start with something simple first. Okay, you wanna say hello? Hello. Very nice and say hello. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna get him to introduce himself first. Now, can you please? Oh, he's still eating. Let's just give him some time to get one first, okay?
Nakain pa eh.
Ready? Okay. Now, can you introduce yourself? Tell them your name. Oh, not done yet. Let's just give him some time. Okay, let's not rush the bird. You okay? Okay, come, let's introduce yourself. Tell them your name. Amigo! Did you hear that? His name is Amigo. One more time. What's your name? Amigo! There you go, Amigo it is. Now, Amigo, how would you like to greet all these nice people?
And down.
Asking how are you? So, Amigo, if you're feeling good, please give him a thumbs up. Ah, that's very nice. Did you see that, Amigo? Oh, okay, thumbs up. That's very nice to hear, okay? So, Amigo here is very smart. He can count from 1 to 10 first in English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect 10. Well done. Okay, he's going to impress you even more further, okay? Because he's going to count in a second language. Amigo, let's try and count in Chinese. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Herham is very good in Mandarin. Well done. Alright, now Amigo here in fact is very talented as well. He loves to sing. He can sing 3 different songs in 3 different languages.
Lupit
First song is a local children's song called Caroline, which means a guest comes to visit. Okay? Amigo, you ready? Can you please sing in Mandarin? There you go, Caroline, word for word. Second song originates from Indonesia called Rasa Sayang, which means feelings of love. This is Amigo's favorite song. So, Amigo, can you please sing Rasa Sayang? Rasa Sayang. Hey, a very chirpy song by Amigo. Finally, last song is an English song. But before Amigo start to sing, any birthdays today? Put up your hands if it's your birthday. From this section.
No?
It's your birthday. Put up your hands. Okay. Anyone from this side birthday? Okay, you got this. Okay, you got a little kid right there too. Anyone else from this side? 3 all the way up there. Center section. Birthdays. 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, so many birthdays. 8. 9. Last section birthdays. 10, 11, 12. Wow, so many. 13, 14, 15. Wow, okay, I see a lot of you celebrating your birthdays today. So for those of you celebrating, I hope I did not miss out on anyone else. Amigo, shall we sing them a special song? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Mas magaling pa kumanta yung ibon sa atin eh.
Thank you for celebrating your birthdays right here in Bird Park. Okay, it's time for Amigo to head back home. He's done a wonderful job for us today. Before you go, Amigo, what must you say? Bye-bye. 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 Let's get up, Amigo, ladies and gentlemen. So now, after seeing Amigo perform, you might be tempted to get yourself a pet hen. But do keep in mind that these birds, they are very hard to upkeep. Now they are even known to live as long as you and I, up to 80 years. So please do think twice or even thrice before getting yourself a pet, okay? Alright, so before I carry on with the show, just another gentle reminder, we will be having birds that will be flying very low above your head, so please remain seated, okay? Now the next two birds joining us on stage are going to show us how loving hornbills can be. If you're ready, keep your eyes right over there. Let's welcome Vicky, our great pied hornbill.
Oy, ang galing oh.
Hey, good morning, Vicky. Now, when the female hornbill wants to nest, they will look for cavities or holes in trees. Right here in Jurong Bird Park, we have successful breeding programs for our hornbills. Now, this is because we give them nest boxes, which is very similar to that nest box right up there, okay? So in a very short while, Vicky will be taking flight to Durga right over there. I will need your cooperation, people around her. Please remain seated. No sudden movements. Do not reach out to touch the birds, okay? Thank you very much. Alright, you ready? Can you fly over to Durga? Okay, let's get Durga to come closer. You see Durga's right over there. Okay, let me make it as easy as possible, okay? Alright, okay, so in a very short while, Vicky's going to go over to inspect her nest box. So, people on that side, you can have a better view, take pictures. Look at that. Vicky, your nest box is to your right. On your right. There you go, very cute, huh? So what she is doing right now, she's checking out the inside of the nest box, and only if she likes it, and she will hop right in. Look at that, in she goes. Now once inside, the female will seal herself using soil, regurgitate her food, and even her own droppings. Now the hole will only be big enough for her beak to stick out. Vicky, if you like the nest box, you can seal it up now.
Nice!
Vicky, are you still inside? Ah, there she is. Alright, now ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes right
Siya pa kaya
behind you,
yun?
and let's welcome Sunny, Jurong Bird Park's animal icon, another great pied hornbill. So now this is what happens in the wild. The female stays inside, male will have to look for food to feed her. This will go on to about 3 to 4 months until the eggs are hatched, after which mother and child will leave the nest. Now right here in Bird Park, we have successfully bred oriental pied hornbills using nest boxes just like these. And thanks to your contribution to our conservation funds, we have successfully released these birds into
Alis na ba yung
nature
mga yun?
reserve and also right here in the bird park itself. So while you're walking around the park,
Pwede kaya lumipat
keep your
dito.
eyes upright.
Pwede kaya akong lumipat.
Flying oriental pied hornbills. This is not a hornbill, okay? This is a tiny student called Sunny. Down, Sunny! Whenever you're ready. Okay, then enjoy this yummy treats up there. Okay, you ready? Okay, not yet. Okay, so birds, hornbills in general, they can be found in 2 continents,
Iinom
Africa
pa.
and Asia. Okay, so if you'd like to find out more facts, please do
Abangan ko
get
na
on
lang
down to the
dito.
hornbill and toucan exhibit. Look at that. Excuse me, Mr. Sunny, Sari's on stage. You want to try this one more time? Much better. Let's get on for hornbills, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, so another friendly reminder to all of you, please have your mask on at all times and refrain from eating and drinking as well, okay? Thank you. Nice music. Now comes the time to simply enjoy the birds fly. So if you want to volunteer once again, raise your hands and get the attention of the trainers that are coming towards your section. Please do not run towards the doors if you're not as a volunteer, okay? And look at the macaws' strong wings as they fly past you. This helps them to swoop through branches and trees in the rainforest of South America. Unfortunately, their orphans are losing their homes at a rate of 1 football field a day due to human development. So let's all see these beautiful birds by simply practicing 3 R's: reuse, reuse, and recycle. Once again, birds will be flying very low above your heads. I'm sorry to repeat this, but you will have to remain seated for the safety of yourself and the safety of our birds as well, okay? So kids, please do not run towards the trainers if you're not picked as a volunteer. Parents, please ensure your kids are seated as well, okay? Thank you very much. Okay, children, settle down. All right, hoops are ready and off goes Kaya. Off goes Vega. Beautiful flight by Vega and Kaya. Very strong wing flaps, long tail feathers, and sharp eyesight. This helps these birds to be very agile and maneuverable in flight. Okay, so to demonstrate that these birds are going to take off from two different ends of the stage and meet each other at the center hoop. To center volunteer, keep your hook straight and steady. And once again, gentle reminder for those of you taking pictures and videos, please turn off your flashlights. I still do see some flashlights.
Abangan mo na lang, ayan dito. Dito lang abangan.
Okay?
Mahirap sundan eh.
Instructions. Let's see. Okay, Durga, can your hook go higher a bit? Thank you very much. Alright, is Kaya ready? Okay, ready and go!
Oy, lupit!
There you go. That was a beautiful cross. Thank you much, Mitra and Kaya.
Hindi ko alam kung nakunan ko yun. Nakunan mo?
Okay, guys, so my hand on the seat.
Ba't binidyo mo na lang? Pero ang ganda, ano?
Joe, did you not tell me what was flight? Sorry? You got a challenge for me. Don't break the hook. Joe. He's gonna fly through there. Oh, he's gonna go even more smaller? Wow, that's a small hook. Are you sure Mega can fly to that? I'm pretty confident. Now this is because in the course they have streamlined bodies which helps them to fly through the dense vegetation of the rainforest to escape from potential dangers of predators. Okay? Having said that, that's a very small hoop. So keep up, fingers crossed. Let's see if they can do this. Everyone, ready? Lift up.
Galing, no?
Vega deserves a louder round of applause. Well done, Vega. And it's time for you to head back home. Home is back to Mitra. Alright, so two more joining us on stage, and macaws are known to gather food for the young, especially during nesting season. Right now, we will have a little competition between two macaws. All of you will be their supporters, okay? Well, someone's very excited this morning. Okay, so I'm going to separate the group into half, from the center to this side. You will be cheering on for Corky, our scarlet macaw. Once again, please turn off your flashlights. I saw flash coming up from somewhere here. Thank you very much. Okay, Corky, our scarlet macaw. And the rest of you, you will be cheering on for Barry. Oh, Stanley, sorry about that. Stanley, our green wing macaw. Okay, so to support the birds, all of your supporters, right? All you have to do is clap your hands, stomp your feet as loud as you can to make some noise, okay? And the count of 3, 1, 2, 3! Stop! Very good, save your energy for the match. Let's have the birds to the table. Okay, so what I have right here is a hollow tree trunk. What these two birds have to do.
Ano kayang gagawin yan?
Okay? So supporters, remember to make some noise. Okay, let's adjust this. Okay? Alright, birds are ready. Let's go! Stanley supporters, don't stop cheering! Alright, the winner is Corky!
Yay!
Well done, Corky! Hi, where are you going? What happened? Stanley is not satisfied, okay? Oh, he wants one more game. Corky, you want to give a second chance? Cocky? What do you say? Pete. Ask the audience. Okay, to be fair, let's ask all of you, okay? If you think standing here should get a second chance, put up your hands. Wow. Okay. Even Sparky's about to say yes. Alright, let's be fair and give standing here a second chance, okay? Okay, once again, 4 fruits on each side of the table. Alright, on your marks, get set, go! Okay, now Stanley here is actually still quite new in the show. He's only been in the show for maybe about 3 years, 3 or 4 years, but Corky here has been in the show for over 20 years.
Wow!
That explains why he's an expert, right? So Stanley here just needs a little bit more practice, okay? Let's get up for Stanley and Corky, ladies and gentlemen.
Grabe yun, 20 years.
Alright, so in a very short while, we will be having our grand finale of water birds, okay? So now I'm pretty sure that our birds in the show, they have amazed you and even made you laugh as well. But please do not forget the bird conservation champions that you have met today. Now we can all help these birds by simply purchasing paper or woods coming from recycled sources so that less of their forest stones will be destroyed. Now you and I, we have the power to choose what we buy. So let us all make the right choice and make a difference for our feathered friends today. Now, looks like we are all set to go. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, for grand finale, we'll be having lots of birds on stage. Now let us get started. First up from Africa, here comes our great white pelican. Next up to the land down under, our Australian pelican. Europe and welcome our Dalmatian pelican.
Grabe, ang dami nila, oh.
Back to Africa, supermodels of the world, greater flamingo.
Dami nila, eh. Yeah, nagliliwaliw lang yung
Ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of our show, okay? So when you're gonna exit, you may exit from the top or even at the side right here. And if you're feeling hungry and to beat the lunch crowd, we do have a special Easter lunch menu happening at the Songbird Terrace, so please do check that out as well. Now in a very short while, we will be ushering all these birds back home and we'll be having another group of flamingos joining us on stage to have a photography session. If you're interested, just stay on for that as well. Now last but not least, on behalf of all of us right here at Jurong Bird Park, please to continue to enjoy your day. But before you leave, just take a look around you and take all your belongings with you, okay? Thank you and bye-bye!
Ang haba nila, no? Amoy kulungan na ng manok. Dami nila, no? Nakakatuwa. Kapabalikin na sila. Tatakas ka pa eh. May naiwan. Kahit ka lang, may isang pasaway talaga eh.
Ito yung mga pasaway.
Ito talaga ultimate pasaway. Kahapon pa to sa ano eh, sa zoo eh.
Okay, thank you very much for your patience. Now, ladies and gentlemen, photography will be starting right now. So just listen to my instructions. Photographer's person taking the pictures to stand right here in the center. Flamingos will be coming center stage. Now, as for our models, for those of you who are interested to come inside and take pictures with our birds, you need to form a straight line right here.
Oh,
Please
haba
start
yata
with the
ng
line.
pila.
Okay, the first one is line right here. The rest of you, please form a straight line
Ayan.
behind.
Haba ng
Now,
pila.
everyone standing in the queue.
Pwede magpa-picture. Napakahaba ng pila. Hindi na. Kayang tsagain naman. Kayang tsagain to. Hindi naman ganun kadami. Pumipila pala. Okay, so pag alis ko, humaba lalo yung pila. Siguro at least 30 minutes. Pwede, not bad na yun. 30 minutes na hintay. Magandang souvenir naman, sarili yung cellphone. Gaya ng ibang show kahapon sa zoo, about ano talaga, recycling or yung pagtatapon. Lagi nilang binabanggit. Dahil nga marami daw namamatay na animal sa kalat, no? So, gaya ng kahapon, recommended, super recommended ang mga show. So, kasama naman sa binayaran eh, bubuk nyo lang. Kasi limited seats dahil nga sa pandemic. Hindi. Actually, hindi limited. Magkakadikit eh. Huwag lang talagang magtatanggal ng mask. Although, hindi may iwasan sa crowd na may mga pasaway. Ayun. Highly recommended. Dalawa yung show. Hindi na kami umabot dun sa isa. Para mabook. Kaya tong 11 o'clock na lang nabook namin. So yun lang, no? Susundan pa to. Madami pa to. Sa panonood. Ingat lagi, tropa.